Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Outlook login issues. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the main interface where you can adjust your settings and customize the tools available to you. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, you're ready to move forward with troubleshooting the login issues you've been experiencing. Now, to fix these Outlook login issues, you'll need to access your system's apps and features settings. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and immediately start typing apps and features. The search results will appear automatically and you should see the apps and features settings option at the top. Click on it to open the settings window. This will take you directly to a page displaying all the software and applications currently installed on your computer, making it easy to manage and troubleshoot any program. Once you're in the apps and features window, look for the search bar located near the top of the page. In this search bar, type in Outlook. This will filter the list and show you only the Outlook-related applications installed on your system. From the search results, locate Microsoft Outlook and click on it. You'll notice the entry expands to reveal additional options beneath it. Among these options, you'll see a link labeled Advanced Options. Click on this link to proceed. This will redirect you to a new window specifically showing the app specifications for Outlook, where you can access various repair and reset tools. In the app specification window, scroll down carefully until you reach a section labeled Reset. This section contains important troubleshooting tools designed to help resolve issues with the application without affecting your personal data. Within this Reset section, you'll notice a button that says Repair. This repair function is specifically designed to fix common login and performance issues by scanning and repairing corrupted files or settings within the Outlook application. Click on the Repair button to start the process. The system will now work on repairing any damaged components of Outlook, which should resolve the login issues you've been facing. This process may take a minute or two depending on your system's performance, so just give it a moment to complete. And that's it. You've successfully repaired Microsoft Outlook, which should fix any login issues you were experiencing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.